Before we go into New Tool Tuesday, I wanted to show you this, planer. Couldn't even think of it. The DeWalt 20 volt planer. I've got it hooked to the DeWalt 60 volt flex volt. I've gotten to where I use this thing a lot. It's very handy inside. Jason and I didn't want to take this door off the hinges, take it outside, because it's about 30 degrees or less outside. We're tender, so we're going to do it inside. So you see we got the corners taped to keep them from splintering off. We don't need to take a lot off of this door, but it's just rubbing a little bit right here, and this is just an easy way. So you can see, Jason, probably just right along in here, and come down to about right there. We ought to be all right. So work your magic, Jason. And he said he was tall enough not to need a ladder.
Are you ready, David?
I'm ready, Jason. Now, I'll turn it on for you when you're ready. It's going to be loud, but I've got the little Bluetooth button. Show you this side where the vacuum's hooked. No dust. I mean, it is perfect. Oh, you're getting close. I got the door. You don't have to worry about it.
Watch your fingers.
All right. Look at there. Look at there. So guys, that's an easy way. Like with me with these old houses, I'm all the time having to do it. I had to plane this one down, to plane this closet door down, and that is the utility room door. And in these old houses, I find that, you know, they settle, they move, the weather, whatnot, and that planer is really handy. But we've always taken them outside to do them because it's so messy. The planer does come with a bag, but it gets filled up real quick. So having that 60 volt DeWalt vacuum, that's the deal. So show us it's shutting. We made a couple more passes, so it's perfect. So we can take the tape off. The tape is a must. If you don't put the tape on them, when you come out to the ends, it'll splinter them out. So let's get into New Tool Tuesday. I'm going to show you this laser. Jason and I used it last week. This laser is really simple to set up, to get it where you want it, and it being green is really bright and you have no trouble seeing it. So let's go into New Tool Tuesday. Jason, if it's not Taco Tuesday, what Tuesday is it?
New Tool Tuesday!
I bet your fans have really missed that right there.
I'm sure they have.
I know I have. I had to go to counseling to get past it. So anyway, we are going to shoot a New Tool Tuesday right here. I've had this for a while. It's only been opened. It has not even been turned on at any time. We're going to look at the Milwaukee laser. That's the one I've got. The 3622-20 M12 tool only. 165 range, 15 plus hours runtime. Fits all M12 batteries. There's some more specs on it there that you can stop the video and look at maybe if you're interested. It shows the little small batteries running 15 plus hours. So we're going to set it up. I've got my tripod. This is a tripod that's Actually got a level on it, so you know the tripod's level. So we're gonna set it up so we can run a level board all the way around this room. This is the room that we've been, where we're making the board and batten. Let me step back, kind of show you like that, because the walls are a little troubled, might say. So we're gonna set this laser up so we can run a board through the middle of it and see how it looks. It's got magnets right here to stick it to a wall. This can swivel, and then this lever here is going to be where you can fine tune your laser, turn it on, lock, on, off of lock, where you change your modes, you know, if you just want a single line like we're going to run, or if you're wanting, you know, to do it like this, just to kind of give you an overlook of it. And where you can switch it, here's some letters on the side you can zoom in and see maybe. So let's throw, I brought a 3 amp hour battery. That's what I brought to put in that. So let me get it on the tripod and we'll get it turned on. Now here's my tripod thing screwed into the bottom. I don't believe this comes off right here. I believe that's just made to where you can swivel it, and you know, you can swivel your laser around on that. Pretty sure that don't come off. Now I've got the laser on and it's on. Now see how the laser, if I wiggle it a little bit, it floats, see it? You can turn it to lock, and then now it's stationary. You see if I turn it back to unlock, see how it can float, self-level itself. Then you turn it to lock and it's stiff, it don't move. There's off, there's back on. And then your modes you've got here is this line only, running here. And then hit it again and you've got your line going this away and your line going this away. And you've also got your dot shining down on the floor. You got your dot centering up on your ceiling. Then you hit it again, and we've only got this line running here, which is the one we want. Let me click through these modes and show you that changing right there. See, there's just straight up and down, like that. And then here should be probably both of them. Yeah, like that, see, up and down. So you've got your, and then we'll go back. This is the one we're wanting right there. So let me get it set up to where it's, we're going to measure from the ceiling up and there down to that baseboard, from that line to the board up here at the top, baseboard, and get us, you know, level, even across there, and then we'll go from there. The setup on this is what Milwaukee really raved about, was how easy the setup was on it, and it being self-leveling, and you know, and that's when you put it on this on with it unlocked, and that way it can self-level itself. Now you see here, and it was my mistake. See, I could have got a 360 when I got this one, and I should have bought that one. Is the one I should have bought. My bad. You see this button here, then see how, if it's real minute, but see how it rotates that on that pivot right here. See how it, that's kind of, they call it your micro tune, to move that around how you need to. Then you can spin this thing the way you need to. So we're getting it set up so we can run our boards. We'll show you more as we go. Now Jason's marking the center of these 1x4s. I've got a mark on the wall, which is the middle of our wall. You can see the laser is, I might need to bring it up just a hair. We have our mark now, it's centered. So we mark the center of that board, and then we get it centered pretty level. Got a level sitting up here on it, if you can see that. Pretty good?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yep.
Down here, mark 1.5 inches. I got a shoulder going out on me, man. My rotator cuff. Bad. The laser's pretty cool. Wasn't nothing wrong with the DeWalt. when I ordered it, I thought I was getting a green laser, and it was red. And you just can't see it. You know, with you got work lights up and all, you can't see it. This green, you can see a whole lot better. I wish I'd have ordered the one that was 360. I just didn't. It seems like to me, I thought that's the one I was getting, but it's not what it is. Ready for me to get out of your laser, tap it up a little level on it. Got her lab. What does it look like? Good? Good. All right, let me come right here. We're using the 15 gauge DeWalt nail gun. Let's throw another one, Jason. Is that your lunch date?
That is her.
Gosh, a half a day on YouTube and they're already calling. I mean, and the video hadn't even been uploaded. How did they know?
They know, David.
The laser's cool, easy setup. I mean, there was just nothing to it. You can see how we're running it with our line sideways. Very, very easy to set up. Of course, this tripod has a lot of adjustments on it to help aid in that setup. This is going to be the end of our New Tool Tuesday. Say bye, Jason.
Bye, Jason.
No, I meant like bye to YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Yeah, you're not going anywhere, I hope. Thank y'all for watching.